Hey guys, what's up? It's Mishti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti Save Gracias. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious and healthy paan/peel cake. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. In a big bowl, which is going to be a dry ingredient bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of fennel seeds, and now what you're going to do is mix all the dry ingredients together with the help of a spoon or a hand whisker. I'm using a hand whisker as it's very appropriate. Now it is mixed properly. Our next step is you're going to take 10 bay leaves and tear the area of the stem and then tear the whole leaf as shown in the video. A short note, if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell over there. Now what you're going to do is you have to add some amount of milk in it and keep on adding milk until it forms a puree/paste like this. If any milk is left, add the remaining in the mixture. Add the puree in a big bowl, which is going to be our wet ingredient bowl. Then add half a cup of milk in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of Gulkand/rose petal. And after that, you're going to add 1 cup of oil. And then you're going to add 1 cup of curd. Now whisk all these ingredients very nicely. So now it's whisked properly. Now add the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients bowl in batches. It's very important. You're gonna add it in batches. So now our batter is ready. Now all you have to do is add a few drops of green food color, that is completely your choice, and it's ready. This is the consistency of our batter. Now add half of the batter inside our baking tin, which is lined with a parchment paper and greased with oil. Now add desiccated coconut and then add rest of the batter on top of it. And now it's ready. Now keep it for baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. And now our cake is finally ready. It's looking so delicious. It's very healthy. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and goodbye. See you next time.